Hello, happy Martin Luther King's Day. My name is John Mark Shaw, and today I want to talk to you about your I Have a Dream speech. We celebrate this day every year because of the great man and the great dream that changed and transformed our society in so many ways. We all have that same faculty. That faculty to develop, to design a dream, a vision for a life, for a business, for a relationship, for health, for wellness, for abundance, for wealth that we would love. We all have that faculty of dreaming. Many of us have been taught that dreaming is more like fantasizing, but to dream is to image or imagine the life that we would love. And it is the single most powerful way that we can transform our lives, live the lives that we would love, and this year make 2019 the best ever year of our lives. So here are 3 steps that we can emulate the great Rev Dr. Martin Luther King. Step 1, what is your dream? What would you love? What would you love in 2019? In the area of your career and your business? What would you love in your relationships? What would you love in your time and money freedom? How much money would you love to make? Where would you love to travel to? What would you love to express creatively this year? Get really clear. Design your crystal clear vision, just like Martin Luther King did, of the beloved community, of the time and place when all little boys and girls would be seen as one, equal. What is your I have a dream speech? What is your I have a dream vision? Write it down. Step 2, make a decision today that you will live this life. Decide in the absence of knowing how that this vision, this dream shall become your reality. Not maybe, but definitely. Make a firm decision. Martin Luther King made a decision, had a vision. He had no idea how it was going to happen. It's important to be okay with not knowing the how and getting clear on the what. The what is primary. What would you love in work, in your relationships, in your health, in your peace of mind, in your finances, in your time, in your adventure, in your free time? What would you love? What would you love in your career and creative expression? And to decide that this year will be the year that you fulfill this vision and more. To decide in the absence of knowing how. And step 3, step into this vision every single day as if it's already happened, as if it's happening now. I am so happy and grateful now that this vision for the incredible life that I wanted to live came true. It all worked out. I'm so happy and grateful that I made the money, that I transformed my business, that I'm in the greatest shape that I could possibly have imagined, that my relationships are flourishing, that I've earned more money, that I've had the time to travel, to spend time with the people I love. It already worked out. Feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, as Wayne Dyer would say. And if you do this every single day, put it on as if it's already happened. I am so happy and grateful now that it already happened. You are building the muscle of faith, building the muscle of belief. You are rewiring your nervous system to become the mind of the person who's already living this life. And if every day when you step into this vision, if it's as if it's already happened, you ask yourself, what is one step I can take today to move in this direction? And you take that step. You commit to it no matter what. You will download this life from the metaphysical into physical, time and space. Not maybe, but definitely. This is the quantum law. So write your I have a dream speech today in celebration of Martin Luther King. Decide for it in the absence of knowing how, and put it on every single day as if it's already happened, and live in the deep gratitude and build that muscle of faith. And that vision and that dream will be yours. My name is John Mark Shaw. I'm so happy to have this time together. Thank you.